Rachelsuniquecrafts. Got that glare on my eyes again, my glasses. So we're back in the kitchen. Today we're gonna cook some jambalaya, and it's not like from scratch, but I'll show y'all. I don't really go by the recipe that's on the box. So I have a big pan, pot. Let's see. I'm gonna put it over here on this one. Make sure I'm turning the right one on. Okay. So I'm gonna be using the base from Zantarain's Jambalaya. It's calling for 3 3/4 cup of water. Here's 2 cups, and here is 4 cups. So I'm putting extra water. It calls for oil. I'm not using olive oil. Get a butter knife here. I'm going to use, it calls for about 2 tablespoons, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of butter instead. Basically, you're just wanting an oil base, and my butter would be just fine. Put that out of the way. Now, it says to mix up our mixture here, and this has got some rice in it. Go ahead and turn that on high. This is the family size. I usually make a big pot of it when I do make it. So, I've got some Cajun sausage. I've cut it in slices and then cut the slices in half. I've got some chicken that I already boiled this morning. And I've got shrimp. So good. So everything's already cooked. The sausage is Cajun style smoked sausage, and it is delicious. Yummy. Between that and shrimp, it's gonna be so good, y'all. It's gonna be so delicious. So, get this stirred up a little bit. I've got it on high, so it'll be warming it up quickly. I've got extra rice, and I'm probably fixing to add a little bit to it. In fact, we'll go ahead and do that now. And I'm not going to put as much as I usually do. Measuring cup here. Let's do about so I'm going to need, for 1 cup of rice, you're going to need 2 cups of water. Let me get some water. So 2 more cups of water for our rice. And I've got more water in there than what it calls, but I don't like my jambalaya dry. So we're going to add our chicken. already cooked. So no worries with having to get them cooked. The sausage, got tons of sausage in here. Lots of shrimp, and I can see already I'm going to need a little bit more liquid. It's going to fall away, don't I? Shouldn't have it closer. So you can see how full it's already, and you already see all the meat. So I'm going to go ahead and get some more water. That's 2 more cups. So we have a total of 8 cups already. As you can see, our rice is not cooked yet. So the package had a little bit of rice in it, and then I added a cup of rice. So it already looks yummy, y'all. We're going to find a We're going to use one like that. It's going to have a little crack on each corner, but that'll be okay. It'll still cook. We're going to let this simmer for about 25 minutes, and then I'll come back and let y'all see what it looks like. I'm back, and the jambalaya is finished. Get that glare down a little bit. So let me show y'all. Look. Oh my goodness. A big pot of goodness here. And it's very moist. You see it's not dried out. And I'll probably in the morning, we're going to have this tomorrow, so all the seasonings that's in it will saturate into all the rice and everything. It's always better the second day. So I'm going to test it. I'm going to have a taste test. So I got a piece of shrimp. Perfect. Perfect. It's not too spicy. Now we're going to get some sausage. And here's a piece with some chicken, y'all. So I got some of all of it. One of my favorite foods is jambalaya with, it probably had 2 pounds. Now the recipe on the box calls for 1.5 pounds of meat, whether it be sausage, chicken, or shrimp. I put probably 1 pound of shrimp, 2 pounds of shrimp, 1 pound of the Cajun sausage, and about 1 pound of chicken. So mine has almost triple what it's supposed to have. So as far as the meat, but I love the shrimp, and I love that Cajun sausage. So I just like to throw it all in there, and it is so good. That's one of my favorites. And when I'm recording this, tomorrow is Labor Day, and the boys, parents, sister is all coming up. So we're gonna have jambalaya, we're gonna have chicken spaghetti, and we're gonna have I think my sister's bringing a salad. We're gonna have the dirt cake, and it's still a glare on my glasses. We're gonna do some homemade ice cream, some garlic bread with our spaghetti and salad. So it's gonna be a good day. We're gonna have great food, and that's what it's all about. Just fellowship and good food and enjoying each other's company. So I hope y'all have a wonderful evening. I'm gonna go for now. When this gets cool, I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. In the morning, I will take it out, add a little water to it, warm it up. We'll be good to go on that. So, I'll see y'all in the next video. Remember that I love you all, and get to crafting, make something beautiful, or get in the kitchen and make something yummy. I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.